just walked along this trail from Pine Cove. And we're going to cross over this heavy expressway. Not long after crossing the highway, we come to Greenbrier State Park, where I understand if you want, you can go that direction and go swimming. Well, this is a little bit morbid as I'm looking for the Roadrunner. Very sad. It's been a fairly long climb up the hill to get to this sign, the monument, the Washington Monument. It's not the one you're thinking of, maybe. It's a different one. We're gonna head up there. Follow along. You want to be in it?
Sure. It's worth walking up there. Yep. I'll probably catch up to you.
Going southbound, you come down a nice path with some signs giving the milestones in George Washington's life. Of course, if you're going up, they're in sequence. If you're coming down, they're in reverse sequence. It's still kind of interesting. Over there's a museum. It opens up in about 2 minutes. I'm not really interested in going through it, so I'm going to skip that, but it turns out there's also belief there are bathrooms on the inside there. So you might want to hang around for a couple minutes if that's a priority in your life, which it could be. Sounds like there's an overnight hikers parking lot here. I didn't notice it up there, but I'm not driving, of course, I'm walking, so I didn't come through the parking lot. Looks like a normal trail. Let's go have some fun. Oh, look what I found. Hikers parking lot. If you're gonna stay here, they do want you to register, and that's fine. So if you're thinking about camping here, what would you decide? Would this be a good place? Anything you notice that maybe should dissuade you from setting up your tent in this area? I know, okay, so there's not a lot of clear areas. How's this for a Widowmaker? That'll come down someday. It's gonna make one heck of a noise. I don't want to be here. Now we've just come down a fairly steep and long hill from the Washington Monument. Lots of switchbacks in them. Don't cut the switchbacks, follow the trail. And this thing is here, and I probably should know what it is, but I don't. And you might know. You can put a comment down below if you like. Or we'll just stay, both of us, unknown, uncertain. It's okay. A lot of mysteries in this world. We don't have to answer all of them. Well, this is easier from this angle. It's a church of some kind. I don't know if it's current or not. They got a path mode here, so I'm not sure what it is. Let me know if you know. On our first group backpacking trip on the AT, our plan was to do the roller coaster and then possibly end at the Dahlgren Campground to go a little further, but the roller coaster really beat us up, and so we actually cut that trip shorter than planned. And to walk into it now all of these years later. Kind of surrealistic, but it's really cool. It's neat. Maybe I'll come back here someday. Well, do I look cleaner? Took a shower, feel cleaner. Somebody left some conditioner in there and the shower stall, so I'm able to treat my hair nice and fluffy and manageable. Now we're gonna go 7 miles uphill. Well, I just finished. I got the shower I told you about, and finished off eating some of my coconut treats, but don't let anybody know. The crumbs are just as good. Somehow I lost my bag. I'm not sure where it went.
And the heart of the Midwest.
I definitely earned this shot. This shelter's a long way downhill off the trail. Crampton Gap. Nice shelter though. Look at a nice little table thing to eat at. Cook and eat. That is really nice. And inside, yeah, looks fine to me. And a special walkway over to the privy. It doesn't look so bad, does it?